Hello friends, today I will discuss about in this video what is RMI and with one example. So RMI is a remote method invocation is mechanism to allow the object system to access object running another GPU. So RMI used to build this application is provide remote communication between Java program and the Java RMI package. So these type are architecture RMI something. So this is the architecture. You can easily explain the client step RRL server scuttlon RRL and transport layer. So these are both client and server side. So these one example is very simple addition of two number. So easily defined by this example. So interface create, provide the implementation, compile and create the escalation using RMI and start the registry service by the registry tools and start remote application and the client application. Okay, so these are the steps we need for the step 1, 2, 3. So just go with one example. So first of all, just to show the example how many files required. So in this first is adder file. So this adder file you do import public adder. So just adder file for RMI using 4 files. So first of adder.java. So adder extends remote public int add through exception. So we have a create just one interface. Okay, so this file work is finished. Second file is adder remote. So using this adder remote we implement the adder files. So just create adder a remote and unique cost using a remote we can adder the through exception. So second file is public int x y and return with this method. So very simple program. Next thing is server side. So we already discussed one server. So there RMI registry, RMI and my server, and then second is main file is string. Adder is stuff. So we have already discussed about the structure stuff and scuttlon stuff. New adder remote. Adder remote we have already created. Main binding with RMI localhost, RMI 55 port number, and there some name is depend and stuff. So catch exception on something code. So this the code is finished. Last is client code. So this client you just same things are both adder sum, RMI localhost and value pass there. So in this screen the 4 program you see there. Just one is the first adder easily. Second is add remote you use good. Next third server and last is 4 is client. So these 4 files are required for the RMI application. So I think you understand the 4 files. So first of the adder remote, next is Java screen and Java server and client. Okay, so next step how to compile and run. So we have already discussed one screen. Here, these are the steps. So step number 1 all.java. So first of all check your file is there or not. So check it file is not you can already copy these all files. So we check in C folder. In where is my Java client bin, and so we have already there server adder remote 4 files are we have already there. So first thing is compile our files. So how to compile? We have a simple Java C dot. So just so this example first of all cmd run administrator. So my file is location depend your application where you store. In this program we directly there Java JDK14 and bin, and this command is right, just check it, Java C start.java. So Java C star.java. Okay, this is code complete, means you well know about. So well know about Java, one thing are clear. Second we start is another CMD. So just start with, okay, so this CMD is same, we write step by step use, so we required, so program Java JDK and then bin. So second what is thing required is just check it there, RMI tools, so required RMI registry start. So you can say start RMI registry. So just, so this file not required to this, you can also first CMD is also right. So start RMI registry and port number, yes. So when you write down there one another exe start, so your machine is ready for these things are clear. So sect is start with server and client. So we need another CMD. Program Java JDK and bin. So we have two CMDs open. So start with Java and my, check there, my server, my client, so my server. Second start with Java C my client, okay. So only excepting there some problem is explicit there, okay, sorry, this meaning is clear or not clear, meaning Java C not required. So I think answer is clear. Okay, so this is the simple way how to compile and run RMI application. So I think you understand.